look out, look out. Hey, McBride students, we're here on the Mario Kart track. We are trying to chase down Luigi, Donkey Kong, Bowser's behind us, Luigi's back there, Toad's up there somewhere. We're gonna definitely get Yoshi, I know we are. Oh, got a shell, gotta shoot that. Woo! There it is. Oh, mushroom. Whoa, yeah, that's some speed. Oh, got lightning. Tough for these guys. Boom, lightning, there they go. Drop a couple bananas. Take that, Bowser. All right, we're getting to the finish line. Doing some rubbing. It's rubbing's racing. That's right. Oh yeah, we made it to the finish line. We just won the Mushroom Cup, guys. Unbelievable race for us. Tell you what, this thing's got so much power. 454 oversized pistons. We're talking about some Bronco muscle, guys. Just like you guys will have if you keep doing your PE workouts. You will have that Bronco muscle, just like my rig right here. But anyways, let's get after it today, guys. Thanks for joining me. Here we go. What is Mario's favorite search engine? Yahoo! Get it?
All right, guys, warm-up time. Here we go. Jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. And push-ups. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And sit-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, here we go, guys. All right, guys, so today's a little bit different than normal. What we're gonna do, I need you to grab 3 pieces of paper, okay, that can be folded, okay, that obviously aren't important. So I've got my 3 pieces of paper. Go ahead and grab yours. And what we're gonna do today, guys, is we're gonna do some paper airplane fun today, okay? And first, let me quickly show you how to make a quality paper airplane that is not too difficult, okay? I like to go here, fold it, we would call this hot dog style, right? The long ways, okay? Then what we're gonna do is we are gonna take one corner, like so, and we're gonna fold it in a triangle. You want crisp lines when you're making a paper airplane, okay? Just like so, okay? And then turn it, do the same thing to the other side. I like to run my finger along the seam, okay? So now we're left with this here, okay? Those are folded to the outside, okay? And it's ready for the next step, okay? We're gonna do the same fold, okay? Another triangular fold. Just like so, okay? So it's, the line is getting kind of more flattened, okay? And we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So we're left here, okay? Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it one more time, okay? So each triangular fold is going to happen 3 times total on each side. We're down to there, line's getting more flat, okay? And we're gonna flip it, and we are going to do it one more time, okay? Now, you're looking at that going, wait, that doesn't work. Yes, it does, okay? You fold out that final fold, okay? And now look at this paper airplane. It's pretty good, okay? And I'm gonna be able to grab it here, okay? got a nice point in the front. And now, this baby is ready to fly, okay? So, hopefully that went well. Let's make 2 more real fast, okay? And warp speed here, hot dog fold. Triangle fold. Other side, triangle fold. And again, another triangle fold. And again, third triangular fold brings it to its final wing set, okay? Just like so. You can see how quickly it goes once you know the proper way to do it. And look at that, another wonderful airplane. Woo! And final one, here we go. Hot dog fold. Triangle fold. Both sides. Second fold. Other side. Third fold. And final fold on the other side. Pressing those seams gives you some crisp lines, just like so. And we're ready for our airplane activities. Good job. First thing, let's just get in some warm-up throws, okay? When you throw a paper airplane, you want to get your fingers on that bottom side, okay? And you just want to float it, okay? Float it like so. I'm gonna throw a few right at you. We'll see how they fly. And get in some practice. Oh, look at that. That thing was floating nice. Woo! Wow, those are awesome. Throw yours, see how they're doing. I am going to throw them one more time. Grab yours and let's throw them one more time as well, okay? And then you'll kind of know how they're flying. A little lower on that one. Try to keep them lower so you might be able to see them. Man, they're flying good though. And here we go. All right, now we'll start our actual game with those airplanes. All right, the first actual activity, I want you to see which of your 3 planes can go the farthest, okay? So it might be that that plane is better, okay? Or you might have just made a better throw, okay? So throw your 3 and try to see which one can travel the farthest. Here we go. I'm gonna throw mine. You do the same. Pretty good distance. Didn't fly that straight. Here we go. All kind of the same. Ooh, that one went farther though. Here we go. That one probably went even further, okay? A little more crooked though. It's funny, they all flew very, very similar, which makes sense because they're the same exact construction, okay? Go ahead and see which one of yours was your best throw. All right, this one is about closest to the target. My target's that blue bucket, okay? You saw how far your plane's through, so put it at a distance that you can get it to, okay? And I'm gonna see which of my 3 planes I can get closest to my target right there. Here we go. I learned something about these. Mine were going left, so I need to compensate for that probably on my throw to this bucket. Here we go. You can use any target you want, a chair, a desk. You don't even need to move anything. You can put yourself in a position where you can throw at something that's already there. Here we go. Oh, still diving left on me. Here we go. Now that one I tried to make up for the movement and it went perfectly straight. Oh, that's going to be the winner. Not even close. My third throw was the winner. Okay. I would have liked to try to hit it. That would have been awesome. Okay. So make sure you threw yours and see which one won for you. All right, this one, guys, we're going to try to actually make it into something. Okay, I'm going to use the bucket. Going to probably be really difficult. Okay, you could use a chair like a lazy boy and step back and try to land it in the seat of the chair. Okay, or any kind of chair or couch. Okay, something where it has a landing space. Maybe you try to land it on a counter. Okay, and that be your target. Okay, so you choose yours, and let's do this. Let's throw until we get one to land in our target. For me, it's the bucket. For you, whatever it is that you've chosen. Okay, so I'm going to throw these until I make one. So hopefully I can do it. So this video is proper length of time. Okay, so I'll try to make it as quickly as I can. Here we go. I have it much closer, of course, than when I had it out there as a closest to target. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh man. See if you can make yours before I make mine. First round was not pretty. Oh, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Oh. I gotta find a way to get it lower. Here we go. Oh, so close. Oh! My goodness. If you've already made yours and you're waiting for me, you can keep going, see how many you do. Oh my goodness. Yeah! Woo! Didn't know I'd be so excited, but it actually was pretty darn hard. So, good job. Hopefully you landed yours before I landed mine. Okay? These are a very fun deal to just play with around the house. Okay? You and your friends, family, okay, could make them. You could have competitions. Who's can go the farthest? Okay? Lots of fun options to do with the paper airplane. And hopefully, if you didn't know how to make one, now you know how to make a fairly decent paper airplane. All right, guys, so the other thing we're going to cover today is heart rate, okay? So your heart, okay, an incredible muscle that we have, okay? It is responsible for pumping the blood to our entire body. It's going all the time, okay? And it is about the size of your fist, okay? It's right in here, and it is just going all the time to keep that blood circulating throughout your body, okay? And we can measure that heart rate, okay, by putting our two fingers and finding our, what's called our pulse, okay, on our neck. So move your fingers up to your neck and find that spot where you can feel it, okay? And what we're going to be able to do here is we're going to measure our resting heart rate. So that means we're not being real active, okay? I'm sitting here, okay? And you could be too. And we are going to see how many beats in 1 minute, okay? So you guys don't need to do anything other than count how many you feel, okay? And how many beats you feel on your fingertips there. And I'll tell you when to stop. We're going to do this for 1 minute, okay, guys? So find that pulse. Get in a good spot. And here we go. Stop. All right, what number did you come up with, guys? I came up with 54, okay? I might have missed a few, we'll see. It does get a little tricky after a while. You know, you're not quite sure if you're feeling it as well or not, okay? But I came up with 54, and so that we are gonna find out. So that's our resting heart rate, and now what we're gonna do is we are going to be active here for 1 minute, okay? And then we're gonna do the same thing, and we will find our heart rate after we've been active. So here we go. We are going to, I'm going to start the timer for 1 minute. And we are going to run in place. Here we go. Ready? Make sure you're doing it with me. We're going to get our active heart rate here. 30 more seconds. Twenty more. 10 more seconds. And stop. There you go. All right, get yourself situated. We are going to measure our active heart rate. Here we go. Go. Stop. Very good. Mine was 102, guys. 102. How about you? Did yours go up? I bet it did, okay? It was wild. When I put my fingers up there, it was so much easier to feel the pulse because it was happening so much faster and it was more intense, okay? I'm sure you noticed the same thing, okay? And then the longer that I sat here, it started to calm down again, okay? So that just shows you right there, your resting heart rate is very calm, okay? And your active heart rate, it's much, much busier, okay? Because your body is needing more nutrients, more fluid, more oxygen everywhere else, okay? So that heart gets going, okay? And it starts sending stuff out faster and faster, okay? Because your body is needing it when you're working hard, okay? So kind of a cool thing to know how to do. Okay, and a little bit of great information about heart rate, okay, and how it changes and what's going on in your body. All right, guys, thanks for being here today. 5 more minutes. I'll put up the timer, okay? You can play with your paper airplanes for 5 more minutes, okay? Lots of fun things to do there, or you can just be active for 5 more minutes. Any kind of activity, that would be great. All right, have a great day.
Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. It's great to have you with me. Have yourselves a great rest of the day.